The instruction says you gotta put it in the water for 5 minutes and then you gotta use a chisel to open it. So take as much of the eggs as you can and put them in the water. Put it in, don't splash it.
Put it in the water for 5 minutes.
You can put more in it. You can put more in it, Tajaun.
Put more eggs?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do 3. So 6 each. 6. We're gonna wait for 5 minutes.
5 minutes. 4 minutes.
Burn the water.
I see something. Oh, he's making a model.
Alright, so now you can start.
Now we're going to start looking for the dinosaur.
Put it on the ground, it might be easier. You need some help?
No.
No, okay.
I'm just playing. Oh my god, baby. I'm digging. Oh my god. I got nothing yet. I'm digging. I'm digging. You have a dinosaur. Wait, I found something.
Okay, keep digging.
Found something. It's the dinosaur tail. I found it. What is it? I have 5 minutes. No, this. Yes. Found something, Mom. Found something.
Okay, I'm coming, Elijah.
There you go, I found something, Mom. We're gonna get today. Really good. And I see dinosaur tail. Let me see. Let me see the end. I see dinosaurs.
You see the dinosaur?
No. Oh yes. Got more of the tail. Tail.
Keep digging.
Look at that. Yes. Look.
Okay.
I
We
can
need
see
to see all
some
of
of
the
the foot.
dinosaur.
See some of the foot.
Elijah.
Oh, here it is. Here it
Finish taking it out.
You have to use the chisel.
What kind of dinosaur is that?
Mom,
Put it stand up.
Mom,
We have a guide. I'll check the guide in a minute to see what kind it is, okay? So let's see if we can get the rest of them out of clay or egg or whatever the hell it is.
Oh, I started digging. This part.
Put it to stand, let me see. What kind of dinosaur is this?
I don't know. I've never heard of it.
You've never heard of them,
Or never seen it. I've never seen it. I see dinosaur too. This is my next one.
Okay.
Mom, I want my egg. Oh, I see dinosaur. Scratch it.
You want some help?
No. Mom, I see it.
You're getting your dinosaur out?
Mom, tell mommy. It's got my egg.
Hey, you're crack. You're.
I see a lot of it. It's a dog. I did it.
You gotta finish taking it out, Elijah.
This is very muffin. Wait. I got it's this.
Finish taking it off.
I knew it. Triceratops. I told you. Now Triceratops. I got Triceratops.
Finished?
No. I got Tajaun. Oh! It's a blue one.
Let me see. Can I see?
It's a Triceratops.
It's a triceratops.
A Triceratops. Tyrannosaurus is in the egg.
Okay.
Say roar.
What dinosaur doesn't say roar to John? Herbivores does not say roar? What are herbivores? Herbivores eat plants? Huh?
They eat pine cones.
Uh-huh.
They
And what does the herbivore say? Come turn again. I didn't hear you. What?
Scientists don't know.
They don't know what the herbivore said.
No.
Okay, so who said roar?
How much? Carnivores.
And what does carnivores eat?
Meat. What are
Okay.
dinosaurs?
What kind of dinosaurs are carnivores?
T-Rex.
T-Rex and what?
T-Rex. Giganotosaurus.
What?
Giganotosaurus.
Uh-huh.
Compsognathus.
Okay.
And also Microraptors.
Microraptors?
Yes.
Okay. Are you finished with what you're doing?
Almost.
Alright. Look at the mess you made, Tyler. Oh, you got me dirty, Elijah.
Herbivore.
What's a herbivore? What kind of
Four-legged.
dinosaur is that one? Herbivores are four-legged dinosaurs?
No.
All dinosaurs had four legs. What dinosaur did have four legs?
How am I going over here?
Look at me, Tajaun. I'm talking to you. Tajaun, look at me. I'm talking to you. What dinosaur didn't have four legs?
Carnivores.
How many legs do they have?
2.
Oh, they walk two legs. They walk upright.
Like humans.
Oh, they walk like humans.
But the T-Rex and Giganotosaurus, they were slow on 2 legs.
Okay.
Because they were big.
Oh.
And I just found out which dinosaur this is.
Which dinosaur is that you have in your hand?
Brachiosaurus.
Okay, finish shaking it out. Let me see. We gotta walk clean it up. These are the dinosaurs we got from the eggs.
Dinosaurs that we got from the eggs. And I'm going to...
Cut down. Okay.
Now I'm going to tell you...
Okay, name the ones you can name.
Corthosaurus.
Wait, leave. Hold on.
Corthosaurus.
Corthosaurus. Wait, let's find it here. See if you're correct. This one is a... What you said it is?
Corthosaurus.
Corthosaurus. That's not what it is. It says it's a parasaur.
Oh, Parasaurolophus.
Parasaurolophus. What kind of dinosaur is that?
This crest makes whatever knows a whistling sound.
What is what?
It makes a sound to call its herd or its flock.
The what dinosaur? What's it called? Parasaurolophus. I can't pronounce it. I'm sorry. It says it's the largest. It says the large crest on its head is an identifying character of the Parasaurolophus. It is believed that this crest helped dinosaur hear and regulate its body temperature. Okay.
This
This is a stegosaurus. Yeah, okay.
It eats plants. A stegosaurus, it could shoot spikes out and then grow more spikes and shoot more spikes out at its enemy so that it doesn't die.
Okay, so he shoots a spike from its back, and that's what it uses to protect itself from its enemies. Okay. Alright, next one. This one. Which one is this? Okay,
We're
give me
starting with
this
the
one.
herbivores.
Oh, you're doing herbivores. Okay. Which one is this?
This one is the Triceratops.
Where? Wait. Alright.
This is the Triceratops. It has 3 horns on its head, and whenever it's in danger, it charges on any predator to it.
Okay, so the Triceratops, it has its name translates to 3-horned face, and the massive horns found on the Triceratops' brows and snout could grow as long as 2 feet. The gigantic frill around its head could reach widths of 7 feet. Stegosaurus. You know anything about the Stegosaurus? What do you know about it without reading the paper?
A Stegosaurus has lots of horns on its face. It's related to the Triceratops family, even though it's not a Triceratops
It's related to the Triceratops.
family.
What does it use the horns on its head for?
Protecting itself.
Okay.
That's why it's related.
Alright, this one's a John.
Hello.
What is this?
Ankylosaurus.
Okay, what about the Ankylosaurus?
The Ankylosaurus has lots of horns, lots of spikes on its body back, and it has a bow tail club to whack its enemies, like a T-Rex, a Tyrannosaurus Rex,
A T-Rex has a bony tail?
to whack its enemies, like a Tyrannosaurus Rex.
What does a Tyrannosaurus Rex do?
A Tyrannosaurus Rex tries to eat it.
Oh, it uses its bony tail to whack its enemy. The Tyrannosaurus Rex is an enemy of the Ankylosaurus. That's what you're saying.
Because
Okay.
it's a meat eater. Like
Oh,
the
the
Spinosaurus.
Tyrannosaurus Rex is a meat eater and it tries to eat the Ankylosaurus
And the Spinosaurus too.
and the Spinosaurus. So the Ankylosaurus uses its bony tail to fight off the T-Rex.
Yes.
Okay, I got
And
you.
the Spinosaurus.
And the Spinosaurus, the Spinosaurus tries to eat the Ankylosaurus too. Okay, I understand. Okay, what dinosaur is that?
This is a Spinosaurus. It eats meat like a Triceratops, a Plesiosaurus,
Okay.
a Pterodactyl, a Plesiosaur, like that one, Mom.
Okay, this one is which one is this one?
Plesiosaurus.
Oh, what do you know about that one?
A plesiosaurus swims underwater. It's not a dinosaur, but it is a prehistoric marine reptile. It eats fish, just like the Spinosaurus. But we're not talking about the Spinosaurus. And the plesiosaur, it uses its long neck and then it gets fish.
It uses its long neck to get the fish. Okay. This is the one you weren't sure of, right? It's anatotite. Anatotite. It's anatotite and named for its duck bill.
Oh my god.
The Anatotite had hundreds of cheek teeth to grind its dinner of prehistoric plants. This dinosaur can also be distinguished by its large back legs and long tail. So this is the one you didn't know. Alright, which one are we moving on to? Pterodactyl. Its here called the what? Pterodon here? What you know about the what you know about the pterodactyl?
A pterodon flies over the water. No, that was fun. A pterodon flies over the water and then it dives down into the water, gets a fish, and then it flies back up and then it
Okay. Is the pterodon the only dinosaur that flew?
no.
Which other dinosaur could fly?
Pterodactyl and Quetzalcoatlus.
What?
Quetzalcoatlus.
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 Okay. Which one is that?
A brachiosaurus.
Okay.
A brachiosaurus uses its long neck to get plants from the high treetops, and it eats twigs, leaves, and pine cones, just like other herbivores.
So this is the Hypocosaurus.
Hypocosaurus.
It says it's an upright walking dinosaur, which is distinguished by the crest on its head and row of spines along its back. Which other dinosaur have crest on its head? Which one?
This?
No, I don't think there's any other one. The Corythosaurus.
Yep.
Where is that one?
Oh yeah, it's not.
What's it called? Parasaurolophus. So your brother lost the last one, which is the
T-Rex.
What do you know about the T-Rex?
A T-Rex tries to eat a pterodon when it comes by.
T-Rex is what, a meat eater?